What up, guys? It's Jonathan Salmo here. I'm gonna be doing the lime challenge today. I just cut up a fresh full lemon. I never ate a lime before. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Oh, crap. Oh, that's nasty. Oh. Alright, I did nothing to these. I'm gonna try to do one. Oh, that's nasty. Ugh. Alright, so as you can see, I failed that. So, leave in the comments below what challenge I should do next. I should probably promise I'm gonna pass this next one and finish it. Ugh, fuck. Bye.